going to be showing you the magnetic tiles. I'm going to make one castle just for you. Zara and somebody gave these to me. And this is my favorite gift.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you've been playing with this so much.
Yeah,
you and I.
Even yesterday, we were playing it together.
Yes, we were. Okay.
Now
Show how you can use them.
Okay. First, go like that.
Wow, look at that. They got stuck together.
Then we need some of these. Put this over here. I need to get everything in our room. Okay. Yep. This one is gonna go later. Alright, this one is gonna go later. Mama, you can have it.
No, it's okay. Just leave it on the side, yeah.
We are not going to use that magnetic tile, but now we're going to make these parts. I love these magnetic tiles. Okay, maybe we can put it this over here.
That's a window, right?
Yep, these are windows. Put these over here for okay, yeah. Window there. These up there. Put this up here, and that's all the windows. Okay.
Wow, look at that.
Need that. And put this. Actually, we need a door. Now, okay, I guess we need to put. Okay, we need to put this part over here.
You don't need to put any block in that. That's fine.
Okay.
The door, you just leave that spot on empty. You can just leave it empty.
Mama, I need to.
No, okay.
I need to put this. Yeah.
I think it's too big, no?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Maybe
You
I
can
need
just
the
leave it empty.
entrance.
Yeah, you can just. Oh yeah, you can use one of the doors.
Oh,
The entrance door.
doors.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe. Good thing. Okay, I'm gonna think. Okay. That's really good. Yeah, I'm really smart. It's really smart.
Maybe you can use one of those to make the.
We're just gonna put like this.
Maybe one more window.
Yeah, there's two windows. But
Right, the house can be nice and bright.
yeah, at the morning night, see some things. I got the window too.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not gonna do that.
Looks so cool.
Yep.
And then maybe you can use these, no?
Okay, we are not gonna cover the roof because we're going to play inside.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Are you making garage?
Yeah. I was saying to make the garage. You need this part for the garage, right?
Oh, you want to make it at the back? Yeah, sure.
And this is alright. I can rock or do. They're going over here. They're like here.
Mm-hmm.
And go in the garage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. Now where is another part house? What? That's what?
I'm not sure what happened.
I don't know where another door is, but
Oh, you don't need a door. You can just, yeah. You only have one door. Or you can use, oh, you can use this.
it will not even
Somehow.
fit.
Somehow. Yeah.
No.
Hmm.
Leave one.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, you can put it
I
in
just
there.
saw them.
Or you can just leave it open. The garage can be.
No, thank you. We can go. here was
The
Yeah.
garage needs to be longer.
um.
Let's make the garage a little longer. It's too small. The car won't fit in.
Oh yeah.
Can I make it longer?
Okay, longer.
No.
This
This is good enough. Oh yeah. What you can do is look. I'll help you.
Okay.
Give me 2 more.
Okay. More
Mhm,
than
put them.
two.
Put them, please. And then this is the door. And then you can put more.
You're perfect.
And
Okay.
then you can put more here.
We need 4 tiles.
And you can put the car in
Okay,
the
okay.
garage.
And there's actually also another car. Okay, let's put this car in.
Oh, this one won't fit. But this one you need a bigger. Yeah, you can just leave it like this. That's fine.
Now you can put it like that.
Oh, you want to put it in the middle?
Okay, like that. Cause then, like some other cars are gonna go here. That's weird.
Well, there's no door.
But there's no other car. Now we're gonna need to put it like this. And then go in here. Go
Sure.
on top. And then ah!
You want to put the fences?
And how can they go out of the car? Okay. Got that's all. Okay, that's how we gotta do it. This is gonna be like the play part. That's gonna
Maybe. 1 second. Maybe I'm gonna help you since it's only 1 car. You can just put the car in there, and there's no entrance.
Okay, that's good.
Right?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. And then maybe you can put these fences
top?
on top of this. Yeah.
Okay. You gotta do that. Then later on we're gonna start decorating it.
We're not putting up a roof, right? Oh, those are for playground, I think. Not for rooms.
Of course, not for playground. I think these are for
Oh, I
castles.
think okay, let's try them out. Yeah, you're right. Take them off.
Yeah, and we're not making a castle by throwing them. They'll be castles.
Careful, John.
Okay.
Those are so hard.
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of breaking.
Mm-hmm.
Cause these are made of metal.
Alrighty.
Made of metal. We'll get off and stick to
Okay,
Not a
let's
car.
move the house towards me. Come.
towards me.
Yeah. Do you wanna
Now
bring
we're
it
gonna
this way?
start decorating.
Bring the house this way.
Bismillah.
Oh, oh.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, so we'll make one of the
Maybe we'll
entrance here. Right? Come sit here. Come sit on this side so I can show you.
Here.
Right? And
Now we're gonna
and then
get. Can
we'll
you
go-
just pack me the
Sure.
cake gun?
And
Now
we'll
we're gonna
put
put it. Now we're gonna dump this all up. Now we got the three of a tea.
So look.
This is gonna be the living room.
This is going for the TV. Yeah, right?
Yeah, this is gonna be the TV. This is a,
Just make sure it's not blocking the entrance.
oh, and there's also gonna be this part.
Maybe, Miriam?
Yeah.
Look, I'll show
Okay,
you.
this is gonna be the water bottle part. You feel like drinking the water bottle.
Then make this. 1 second. Make this the entrance. So this is the living room. And this is the
There's two
room.
parts.
Right?
And that maybe you'll get confused and think this is.
Right.
And then
So we can put the TV there.
that's,
Right?
who can sit?
And then we'll
What? Okay.
put the sofa.
Okay, I know how to make sofa.
Make the sofa.
It needs to be long because there's 2 girls, one of the princess.
There you go.
Okay, that'll be blocking the window. Of course it will block the window.
That's okay. A little bit of blocking the window is okay. So that's our sofa. That's the TV.
Yeah, and we don't
Right.
need a silly platform. I don't want that.
That's fine.
Just can put it there.
You can put
Okay,
the
and this is gonna be
plant here.
yeah, and this is gonna be the trampoline. Yeah, this is gonna be the
The
trampoline.
trampoline. Okay, we'll put another.
I'm gonna put that.
So
And later
back
I
of the house, we can
to the-
pretend there's a water park, right? Alright, let's put the bed in there. Let's make the bed.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the water.
We're gonna put this for the
Table.
little person.
Let's make the bed. Here, you make the bed.
Oh, but I forgot
Henry?
the swing. No, you're gonna make the bed. I'm gonna make the swing. I'm gonna decorate the bed.
We're going to make the
Swing.
1 second.
That's looks like that. That's the little grilled swing bed. He loves relaxing when he goes to sleep. Right, Mama?
So how come we didn't make the roof, Miriam?
Because you've got to
So it's
swing
easier
side.
to move the toy.
Yeah, every time. Cause, like, yesterday my mom didn't think about that, but
And then we ended up breaking it.
Yeah, and then I saw no roof, no trying to play with it, and
So
then
this is the water park
yeah.
behind their house.
Yeah.
Let's move this.
You can go play.
These are the new.
and
These are the turtles
and we can put her going
beside the house.
And also they'll have a little buddy.
The ice cream truck is there.
Oh, what is this
Right.
thing for the sand?
Mhm.
This is gonna be sandbox.
Okay.
I'd open my
Okay,
food
Miriam.
in the sandbox.
Miriam, jump. Put the Polly Pocket. Put the LOL on the bed.
Okay, 1 minute. He's
That's the
great.
sofa. Oh, you put the chair. Wow, mashallah. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, he spit out some water. I don't know why.
Chair, sofa, TV, the bed.
Okay, no.
This is for their cat, right? Do they have
Yeah,
a
I
cat?
don't have a cat.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe you don't.
Oh, I think I forgot it at the park.
I'll just leave it here.
Mama,
The
maybe
one
I
for the
forgot
water
it at
park.
the park,
That's
right?
okay.
Maybe I forgot my bag at the park.
Okay.
Or,
Let's put the LOL.
okay, can we put the sunglasses?
Put the LOL in the bed, on the bed.
And we're gonna start playing.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Mama?
There you go. This
Where's
is
the
LOL.
princess? Where's the princess?
Oh, the princess.
Oh, I'm gonna get
Well,
it.
you can pretend she lives with
I left
Peppa.
it in my
You can
bag.
pretend she lives with the Peppa,
No. Of course not.
the granny.
No, Mama, I can't.
So that's the garage. That's the entrance. Getting a little blocked by the big flower.
Okay. I got a kitty. Okay, I got this kitty. Okay, Granny Pig can be in the
Maybe.
game, but
The
Mama?
entrance can be.
Mama, Granny Pig
One
is not
second.
in the game.
Sure.
Okay, she's not in the game. I'm gonna find a new one.
Be this way. That's true.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
let's pretend Polly Pocket. Time.
Over there.
Okay, sorry.
Sure.
Let's pretend this squirrel had a broken arm and he only needs to use this arm, her
Okay.
left arm. Maybe he got. Let's pretend that she's
Okay.
her daughter. And this is gonna be her cat. He sleeps on here.
She sleeps down.
Yeah, and this. Let's
This is,
pretend.
yeah.
let's just
She
pretend-
can. She can be bathing right on the
Yeah,
water
let's
park
pretend
behind their
he
house.
doesn't like. I broke
Okay.
this other arm.
Okay.
Let's pretend like
Okay.
he had a
Okay.
arm. Well, he had a broken.
Mm-hmm.
That one.
So look, William. It looks so nice.
Yeah, now
Your
we
house
start-
looks complete,
Yeah, now
right?
now let's start playing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I finally need to go. Hello, Kitty. Oh, I think he like still sleeping. I think he woke. I woke her up. Let me go outside. Oh, how are you having good? I heard you're. Oh, I heard you were relaxing at nighttime. But didn't get on soap.
Miriam, look.
I like
You can show them quickly how to cover the roof too,
Oh,
and then you can break it after. I mean, the roof you can break it after,
we're not breaking.
and then we'll just say bye bye. Make a roof. Roof. No.
Okay, yeah, I forgot. here.
Mm-hmm.
I know how to make a roof.
Yeah.
That's how we make the roof. If we don't want to play with it and we want to see what's inside, we can make the roof. Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. There you go. So that you
That's
can
how we make a roof. Let's take this
Right.
out. Just about. Okay.
Make the roof again because I didn't catch it.
Okay, just about.
Okay, make the roof again, please.
Okay, that was kind of hard for me to break it, but yeah, okay. Okay, you don't need to hold it, Mama.
I'm not holding it. So
Now we
that's
can
the
take it.
roof.
Yeah, that's the roof.
That's the roof,
Yep.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice roof. As you want to put something there to show that
Okay.
you can make a roof on that side too. So leave the roof. So let's get a
Sometimes
quick nice. You can make a roof with those.
Okay.
I'll help you. Huh?
Okay, you're gonna put that roof because I already made this roof. Now you're gonna make that roof.
Mm-hmm.
That's my mom's gonna make that that roof.
And then, oh, the bottle is too big. Hold on.
The bottom near on top. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
And then you can make it like this. Look,
Yeah, if you want to see what's inside it, you can go like that.
one down.
Now,
There you go.
now
So
let's
that's
take it
covered
off.
house. Come, let me take off.
Yeah, now we can take this
Yeah,
off.
very nice. Okay, Mariam.
Yep.
So now you can say bye bye and we can start playing with this, right?
Bye-bye. We're going to start playing with it. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Okay, very nice house, right, Mariam?
Yeah.